direct or indirect speech. The matter within inverted commas is called the reported speech, and the verb that introduces the reported speech is called reporting verb. There are certain rules to change the narration. Change the tenses. When reporting verb is in present or future tense, there will be no change of tense. For example, he says Ram is hungry. This is a direct speech. The indirect speech will become he says that Ram is hungry. Another example, he has told me Ram cannot move. What is this? This is a direct speech. He has told me that Ram cannot move will be the indirect speech. If the reporting verb is in past tense, the tense of the report speech must be changed as he said I write English, which is a direct speech. He said that he wrote English will be the indirect speech. He said the teacher is writing English is a direct speech, and he said that teacher was writing English will be the indirect speech. Then change of reporting verbs. In assertive sentences, the reporting verb said to is changed into told only, and said alone is not changed. In interrogative sentences, the reporting verb said to is changed into asked. In imperative sentences, the reporting verb said to is changed into ordered, requested, suggested, begged, proposed, forbade, etc. according to the sense of the sentence. Examples include Rakshit said to his friend, "Where are you going?" It will become Rakshit asked his friend where he was going. Then the headmaster said to the peon, "Give me a glass of water." It will become the headmaster ordered the peon to give him a glass of water. Change of pronoun. The pronouns in the reported speech are changed as first person according to subject, second person according to object, and the third person will not be changed. Then change of words expressing nearness. In the reported speech, when the present tense is changed into past, then we change the following words as this, that, here, there, these, those, now, then, today, that day, yesterday, the previous day, tomorrow, the next day, and ago, before, come, go, etc. Then assertive sentences. The conjunction that is used in interrogative sentences as when the questions start with auxiliary verbs such as do or does, did, has, have, had, is, am, were, are, will, shall, can, could, etc. if or whether is used. If the questions start with interrogative pronouns or adverb such as who, whose, whom, which or what, why, when or where, no other conjunction with interrogative pronoun is used. Direct speech include he said to me, "When did you finish your lesson?" He asked me when I had finished my lesson as the indirect speech. In the imperative sentences, infinite is used. Ordered, requested, begged, advised, commanded are used in place of said to. For example, in case of direct speech, he said to Mohan, "Get away." The indirect speech will become he ordered Mohan to get away. Then, in exclamatory sentences, said to is changed according to the expression of the sentences. Beware or careful changed into warned. Alas changed into exclaimed with sorrow. Hooray changed into exclaimed with joy. Few changed into exclaimed with surprise or relief. May God or rules for changing direct speech into indirect speech. Rule 1. The adverbs of nearness should be put into those of distance. Rule 2. Tenses. If the reporting verb is in the present or future tense, there is no change in the tense of the verb in indirect speech. For example, Anthony says, I eat a mango. It is a direct speech which will change into Anthony says that he eats a mango. If reporting verb is a past tense, the tense of the words in the reporting speech or indirect speech must be generally changed. Present tense in the direct become past tense. Johnsy said, I write a letter, which will change into Johnsy said that she wrote a letter. And the past tense in the direct become past perfect or remains unchanged. Angel said, I brought a pen yesterday, which will change as Angel said that she had bought a pen the day before. Present continuous in the direct become past continuous. Example, John said, I'm going to church. It will change as John said that he was going to church. Then past continuous in the direct becomes past perfect continuous. Nelson said, I was playing cricket, which will change to Nelson said that he had been playing cricket. Then present perfect in the direct becomes past perfect. Example, Kamal said, I have done my homework, which is a direct speech, and the indirect speech will be Nelson said that he had done his homework. Then present perfect continuous in the direct become past perfect continuous. He said, I have been reading a novel, which will change to he said that he had been reading a novel. Then will and shall are changed to would. He said, I will go to London tomorrow, which will change to he that. Whatever may be the tense of the reporting sentence, if the reported sentence tells a universal fact, no change is made in the tense of the reported sentence. Direct speech include the mother is saying to the child, the third day of the week is Tuesday. Let's see how we can make these sentences into indirect speech. Step 1. The reported sentence is the third day of the week is Tuesday. Statement 2. It is a statement and a universal fact. Step 3. So, the conjunction word is that. And the step 4 is saying to changed into telling. Step 5. No change of pronoun. Step 6. It is a universal fact. So, no change of tense is necessary. Step 7. No change of extension. Then, what will be the indirect speech? It will become, the mother is telling the child that the third day of the week is Tuesday.